Hi dear students, how are you today? I hope that all of you be healthy and study your lessons daily and don't put off your job for the next day. When you study hard, you will get lots of information, and today you are going to study an interesting title which is called cylinder. Sometimes you drink tea and you will drink tea by glass. So that glass look like this. Yeah? We call it as a cylinder. Let's have definition for that. Cylinder is a closed solid that has two parallel bases. A closed solid that has two parallel bases. You see, two parallel bases, usually circular, as a circular, yeah? Connected by a curved surface, okay? Now, let's start to understand the details which are in cylinder. The line which connects the center of the what? Circles, so we call it as axis. And these are bases, yeah? These two circles are bases. The line which is from here, the top base to the down base, we call it what? Height. And you know that in circle we have radius. If it is like this, we call it as diameter. Okay? We call it as diameter. So, now let's study some formulas for that. The first one is volume. Okay? What is the formula? Pi r to the power of 2 multiple h. What does it mean? Pi r to the power of 2 multiple h. It means the area of this circle, what? Multiple the height of the cylinder. And the next one is about what? Lateral area. That you studied these names in previous lessons, okay? Lateral area, 2 pi r multiply h. Okay, what is 2 pi r? The parameter of what? Circle. Okay? And 2 pi r is the parameter of the circle multiply height of the cylinder. And the last one, which is called total area or surface area, is equal to this lateral area plus 2 pi r square. Okay, plus how many circles do we have? 2. The areas of these two circles. These are the areas of two circles. And this is what? The lateral area. Lateral area plus up and down. Lateral area plus up and down. Area of up and down. Okay? So we call it as total area. So let me write it. Total area. And what is this? Lateral area. In order to understand this, let's have an example for you. Okay? Example. Calculate volume that we show by V, symbol V. Lateral area we show by S. And surface area or total area of cylinder. How many sections? Volume, lateral area, and surface area of cylinder, which has 3 meter height, it means h is equal to 3 meter, and 20 meter diagonal. Okay, 20 meter diameter. So, you know that diameter is 20 meter. Diameter is 20. Pretend that we have a cylinder here. How much is the diameter? 20 meter. So, if the diameter is 20, so how much is radius? It is 10 meter. And we need radius, okay? Now, let me solve. It means that r is equal to how much? 10 meter. Let's start to use the formulas. V is equal to pi r to the power of 2 multiple h. Remember that pi is in here 3.14. Okay? 3.14. And you studied in the numbers chapter. Okay? Now, V is equal to pi. How much is pi? 3.14. Multiply. R square. How much is R? 10. 10 square. Multiply. H. How much is H? 3 meter. So I can write it simple. Multiple. 10 to the power of 2 is 100. Plus multiple 3. You can cancel these two zeros with 2 decimal digits, and you will have 314 multiply 3. And what will be the answer? 942 or 942. It is meter. It means meter cube. Remember that V is, the unit of V is meter cube. So, S is equal to 2 pi r multiply h. 2 multiply, how much is pi? 3.14 multiply, how much is r? You have 10 multiply, how much is h? H is 3. So, 1 0 will be cancelled to 1 decimal, and we will have 31.4. Multiply what? 2. Okay, 2 multiple 3 is 6. Yeah? 2 multiple 3 is 6, which is equal to 3 multiple 31.4 is equal to 188.4 centimeter square. Okay? But in here we have A. Okay? At first, A is clear. In here, we know that the value of 2 pi r multiple h. How much is the value of 2 pi r multiple h? 188.4 centimeter plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. 2 multiple. How much is the value of pi? 3.14 multiple r square. It means 10 to the power of 2. So, it will be 188.4 meter square plus 2 multiple 3. Okay, this will be 100. 2 0 with 2 decimal will be cancelled. So, 2 multiple 314. And this will be also what? You can write without unit. So 188.4 plus 2 multiple 3, 314 is 4, 8, 2, and 6. What will be the last result? It will be 816.2 and 4 centimeter. 4 meter. So because it is A, and it will be m square. Okay, let's have a review. What did we do? And here we calculate V, S, and A. Volume, lateral surface, lateral area, and what is the last one? Surface area. So these were all that we have used from this formula in order to solve the problems related to cylinder. Memorize or remember these formulas and use it in order to solve the problems related to cylinder. Best of luck. See you.